the next day, and gonna get that out right there. That is a Prana down jacket. I'm into it for like 10 bucks, and it sold for $89.99. So $8.20 shipping. It's a pretty good return right there. Saturday morning on this vlog right now, so maybe we can go garage selling. I am completely woken up, if you can't tell right now. Anyway, so yeah, it's time to go out there and see if we can find anything cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go to about 3 or 4 garage sales today. I really don't expect to find anything. The destination is on your right. Shut up! Shut up! Arrived. What? There's no garage sale here. Oh, it's up there. What? Okay. Yeah, I don't expect to find anything today. I'm just going because I miss going so much that I'm like, okay, I'm just justifying some of these crappier garage sales to just go check them out. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but we'll see. I mean, the fact that I have the antique booth like opens up so much to me as well. So there's a lot of things that I can look for. I see cowboy boots already. We'll see. So for 10 bucks, I got an ottoman that's gonna go directly to the booth. I bought this dresser, which is huge. Anyway, I mean, for 10 bucks for both, this guy's moving out of his house. The dresser we could use at the house, or we could just flip it for like 100, maybe 150 bucks. Solid wood dresser, by the way. There's an ottoman over there. You can kind of see it in the picture, and that's going in with a deal. I'm gonna throw that in the booth for like 50 to 100 bucks. And that's how you smoke up a truck in one stop. Ugh. I hope I don't find much other cool stuff today. I don't know what to do with all this. I don't know if I should drop it off now. This is a tough one. I don't know what to do yet. I have to think about it. So I'm making the decision to at least drop the dresser at the house. I think that's a smart decision. I really don't like having all my space completely smoked up this early in the morning. I don't think it's a good idea. Not to mention, the dresser's not going to the booth. I don't know why I would truck it around town. It like makes no sense. Thankfully, I was at a garage sale that was close to my house. Gonna have a neighbor help me take it out. We're gonna put it right there at the garage door. If my girlfriend doesn't like it and she doesn't think we can use it, then I will just snap a picture right then and there later on today. And hopefully, if I price it accordingly, it could be gone by tomorrow, or maybe even today, honestly. Like, there's so many people moving to Austin, Texas, that they're looking for dressers at $100 already, you know? And that's already cheap. So, and this is a solid wood one, so, you know, maybe I can get more. I'll have to take a look at the dresser game online just to see what they're being priced at, and more importantly, what I can price it at to make a fast flip, you know? At the next light, turn left. Shut up! Shut up! Hey, so it feels so much better now. Look, I can breathe. I can breathe more cheddar into my car. There's room for it, you know? That thing was stressing me out. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I was getting like, I don't know what it is. I was getting dresser phobia, you know? It's a phobia of dressers. Anyway, I'm gonna see some more garage sales. Maybe I can find another dresser or two and completely destroy the interior of my car. That would suck. You know what's weird is there's like a term called phantom limb, where when someone's arm gets amputated or cut off, like they still feel like they have the arm, you know? And I'm feeling that with the dresser. Like, I'm driving as if I still have the dresser, but the dresser is not here in the truck at all. It's not here. But I'm driving slow and doing my turns a lot slower because I still feel like the dresser is with me. In half a mile, turn. Shut up! The next garage sale is right there, and it doesn't look, okay, it's actually going into the garage. It didn't look good for a second. It still doesn't look good. I don't know. It's probably a no. I don't have very many options today. I'm just gonna go check it out. At the antique mall, it looks like I'll be the first customer here. Not really a customer, I'm just dropping something off. 2 tags right here for the ottoman right there, and it's a tufted ottoman, by the way. And then there's a white mirror in the corner right there. Yeah, so that's gonna go in the booth right now. Throwing this mirror in the booth right here, and I bought it at a Goodwill. I'm listing it for $80, nothing super crazy. And then there's the tufted ottoman right there. These things online is apparently around $300 to $400, but I think I'm just gonna ask about $140, $150, because it does need to be cleaned a little bit, but still, I'm looking for a fast sale. I'm like literally nothing into that thing, so that's cool. So yesterday I was on Facebook Marketplace and there was a Specialized Rockhopper Comp 29er, which is like a 29-inch wheel bike, and it was asking $225. I offered the guy $200 and he was like, yeah, I can take it. And then he ended up being really far away from my house. So now that I'm kind of closer to that part of town, this morning I hit him up and I actually bought the bike. It's pretty cool, but it does need some work. It's going to need about 30 minutes of love. But we have a Specialized 29er Comp right here. You know, good condition, disc brakes, lockout on the front suspension. It's been left outside on the balcony for like a month, but I can unmess that up. It's kind of like, when I'm done with it, I'll put some new grips on it that I have just laying around. I'll get it all cleaned up, make it look real good. But once I'm done with it, it probably would sell for around $400 to $500, which isn't bad at all. I mean, there's a slight possibility 600, but it's probably 500. 400 to 500 is what it's probably going to shake out. But yeah, it's a nice bike. Everyone wants mountain bikes so bad in this town, and the prices are so elevated. So I think I can really get that. And the hustle continues. We're about 2 hours down the way of the day, and I caught a Facebook Marketplace ad for an e-bike called an Outlaw. It needs a little bit of work. I think it actually just might need a charger. An Outlaw bike is around $1,700 to $2,000. It's an off-road e-bike, and this one needs a charger, which I think the charger I can get for like 20 bucks. And then maybe a little bit of troubleshooting, but it shouldn't be too bad. It's a lithium-powered e-bike, can go about 28 miles an hour. Definitely not street legal. And someone hit me up for a bike, which is right there, and I'm taking it with me. So I pick up the e-bike. Maybe I'll sell this bike, which is the $20 bike from 2 vlogs ago, where the lady like booked another lady, you know, to sell the bike to me. It was crazy. Anyway, if you know the vlog, then you know the vlog. But 20 bucks into that bike back there, attempting to sell it for 200 bucks, pretty good. And then picking up another bike that's 100 bucks. That could end up being, if I get it working, you know, a $700 sale or something crazy like that. So we'll see. So I just came from that apartment, and here's the Outlaw SE bike right here. Super cool. Yeah, you can check it out. I have the battery inside my truck, but this thing is wild. 26-inch tires, e-bike. I'm gonna fidget with it a lot. He said it's actually in really good condition. Magnesium forks, all kinds of crazy stuff. Really nice bike. Crazy. All right, got 200 bucks right here. We got some people back there that are real happy with that bike. I did sell that bike for 200 bucks, so I was into it for 20. And yeah, super good hustle right there. They're enjoying it, they love it. You can kind of see them in the mirror over there. And as I make this turn, it's, you know, it's a lot of fun making people happy with bikes, that's for sure. There they are. That was a good hustle. Man, 180 bucks right out of nowhere, I'll take it. Why not? But this bike back here, oh my gosh, if I can get this thing running, I am so excited. It's gonna take a little bit of work though, that's for sure. Basically, it's a Traxxas RC Bandit buggy. As you can see right here, it is a brushed model, not a brushless model, but still for 25 bucks, and it works perfect. And you can see that the tires are kind of like minty fresh, looks really good. But yeah, this thing right here sells for around 120, no problem. I did list it for a little bit more, but yeah, 120 is cool, and like I could just keep it and like play with it, but I've had a lot of these things before. I just don't need another one. Came with a really nice 2.4 gigahertz controller, which is cool. Charger, all that kind of stuff. I tested it, it works great. Another thing that I got from a Goodwill last weekend are these stamp kits, and this is definitely, you know, scrapbooking and stamping and all that kind of stuff. Definitely has big resale. I popped on each one of these tubs for around $10 a piece at a Goodwill, and everything is really highly organized in there. I need to get into it a little bit more, but I think it's made, all the stuff in here is made by a company called Stampin' Up, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, stamping sets like that, or scrapbooking things, when you go to a garage sale, or kind of surprising that I found all that at a Goodwill, honestly, because that's typically something that you would find more at a garage sale, like someone just cleaning out all their scrapbooking stuff and stamp stuff. But to find that at a Goodwill was pretty neat. I don't know my angle on that thing, because a lot of those stamps that are in there are from 2001 and 2002, and some of those Stampin' Up single just little sets that you saw in there into the tubs, some of those can go for like 30 to 50 bucks on eBay. So it's just a matter of me getting into that whole deal and kind of understanding what I have. But I knew it for $38 out the door. That's what I actually paid, 38 bucks out the door. I knew just from that it was going to be a good, you know, return on investment. Because if I just get tired of the whole thing, right, then I would just lot everything up and sell it on eBay. And it should sell for around 200 plus, something like that. Now, if you're into scrapbooking or stamping and you watch my videos, then you know, put a comment down below and let me know what you think I can get for something like that. I want to end this vlog a little early because I have a feeling tomorrow I'm going to be doing a lot of thrifting or dedicating a substantial amount of time to thrift. So this one's a little bit more on the shorter side, but if you enjoy these vlogs and I look at all the comments, I just don't have all the time to like respond to all the comments, but hit the like button for me and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.